Greetings VisionLink users and welcome to this administrator tutorial, Projects. This feature allows the user to create and configure projects within a VisionLink account from within the administrator application. The folder icon indicates projects and will be cutting across VisionLink applications. To view the names of the icons, hover over an icon or click on the hamburger icon on top. To launch projects, just select a project. The project main page will show a list of active and archived projects. Let's start by creating a new project. Fill in the project name, description, which is optional, start date, end date, time zone, and project type. Like VisionLink Legacy, the project end date may be changed, but the start date must be set when creating the initial project. New for administrator is specifying the specific project type. This is dictated by the current subscription levels. For civil project monitoring, the parenthesis 1 here indicates that we have one project for civil project monitoring. Once you select a project type, the other fields will populate. Project boundary can then be specified. This will open a new window to create a project boundary. Zoom to or search for the location, then click on the pencil icon to begin drawing your project boundaries. You can get a rough idea of the project area, and once you complete the polygon, you can then stretch to fit this polygon to any shape. Make sure to make the project boundary large enough to encompass the entire project area plus any expansions, as data from outside project expansions will not associate with the project. When you're done, click Continue. With the option to import a coordinate system through the upload of a DC file, we also have the option to add different geofences to this specific project. You can add geofences from the account that you're selected in, or you can add geofences right from the project workflow. To do this, click on Add New Geofence. This will launch the geofence creation, where you now can enter in the information for your new geofence. Type in the required title, an optional description, and then specify the type. This type will dictate how this geofence interacts within Unified Productivity and other applications. This type will indicate how this geofence interacts within Unified Productivity and other applications. Since this is a standard project, only certain types of geofences listed here will be available. You can enter in an estimated target volume for the geofence as it applies to this project. You can specify an end date or choose no end date. Finally, create the boundary for your cut zone for this geofence. You can change the color or fill at this time, then save your geofence. Geofences that have been added to the project will appear within that project, and you can see the start date, end date, and the targets for that geofence. You can view these geofences or move them from the project association. The last two options for creating a project involve entering in project targets. This is new, and you can enter a cycle target, payload target, or estimated volume target. Lastly, you can specify specific assets to associate to the project. Any capable asset will associate with this project based on the geofence boundary. When you're done, hit Save. To edit a project, click on the middle and it will bring you to the Edit screen, where you can enter in any new or updated information or add more geofences to the project. To archive a project so that no data can be added to this project and that other projects can be created in the same area, click on the Actions bar and choose Select. Click on the project, navigate to the Actions bar, and click on Archive. This will archive this project and allow that space to be utilized by other projects within this account. VisionLink Administrator, Projects, thank you very much.